Merry Christmas Day. This is Ashish Dai's billion rupee estate. Tapको बेड किन दुईटै साइड हल्लिरहेछ तन्न? Okay, so today we're going for crab hunting. It's pitch dark. The lights are out. The electricity grid went off, and me and Vishal Dai were heading to the jungle. And was it? And mind you, there's jackals that come around here. Spotted owlets. We saw a black eagle today. Bee eater, kingfisher, a whole lot of birds. Let's go. Alright, so here we have the crab. This is pretty small. Where's the prawn? So here we have the first crab. Like, okay, so this crab has no idea that I'm about to come and get it. Wrong way.
तिम्रो खुट्टामा छ उ खुट्टामा
Okay, so here we are. This is confusing because
बाल्टी लाग्यो
here we have it. First crab. It's pretty small.
ओ खुट्टा त्यस्तो गरेर अट्याकिङ मोडमा छ
It's pretty small. There's not going to be much of meat content on that crab, but we're going to look for big ones. What about a frog? Big crab? Oh wow, that's a big. यो पछाडि गयो भने त्यसलाई टङले गर्नुपर्छ दाइ
अर्को पनि छ अर्को पनि खुट्टा होस् गरे उ यो यहाँ भित्र लुकेछ ए हो
Okay, there's a crab here. Pretty big one. Oh,
wow. Wow, so scary.
Wow. Let's get to the bucket.
What's so scary?
Let's over the light there.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah, this one is the views, eh?
Oh, wow. Oh, it's gonna fall down. Got it.
Patro, is that? Right?
Oh, it's massive.
Yeah, scary in type.
Wow.
This one, you're my first experience, eh? First experience.
No, they're fighting. Oh no, they're fighting. So we're currently catching crabs for dinner, and we caught 2, and they're fighting. Look at this. Farmhouse in Dharan. Let's go. Ashish Dai. Kali. Ashish Dai's farmhouse. This is Ashish Dai's billion rupee estate. No, Hong Kong got a million on that. $1 million almost कि छुन्छ होला मजाले hiking up in complete darkness 1 hour up a hill. So today is Christmas in the same place, same city that I was last year in Christmas, and it's Damak, and with one of my cousins as well. We were here last year, and I haven't done a vlog in a while now, so it's going to be a Christmas vlog. So we're gonna go to our another cousin's farmhouse, and yeah, let's see. Other than that, there's nothing much planned. We're staying in at our cousin's. Actually, I was, and also I went to my another cousin's house up in Dharan. But yeah. Other than that, let's go. Merry Christmas day. Merry Christmas. अनि तपाईँको बेड किन दुईटै साइड हल्लिरहेछ तन्न भाइको मेरो बेडला भाइको मेरो तिम्रो बेडला मेरो बेडला यो हेर्नु सुटकेस हजुर chicken grill sandwich. That's a Merry Christmas day. Merry Christmas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. यति माछाले तानेको उता उता चाहिँ fishing in Salakpur. First fish of the day. Oh ho.